I am Dr. Sudha, Director of Annai Fertility Center in Karangal, Kanyakumari district. This Karangal is a small town located in the periphery of the district. I did my undergraduation and my post-graduation in Sri Ramachandra Medical College and Research Institute, Porur, Chennai. After that, I underwent a training in Germany and got the diploma in reproductive medicine in Kiel Institute of Germany. I have also undergone an advanced fertility training by the Homerton University, which was conducted in London. My hospital has been established for the past 13 years, and my passion towards fertility led me to start this fertility center at an affordable cost so that many couples' dream comes true and their journey becomes success in delivering a baby. The hospital is a 50-bedded hospital, well equipped with all infrastructure, and we are even offering high-risk pregnancy services here. My main motive was to deliver fertility services to the poor and the needy, and we are offering these services at a very affordable cost. Another criteria which makes our fertility center unique is that we do not offer any donor services, and we use the available resources. If the patient has a low sperm count or a low ovarian reserve, we stimulate the patients accordingly and we treat them without using any donor sperms or donor eggs. This has a reach in our area around us so that patients come with confidence to get treated by us. And throughout the journey, I always feel that it's not possible with any man, but it's God's grace which has led us through all these 13 years in treating many infertile couple, and we have delivered many twins and triplets in our hospital. I would like to say that we will be promoting and offering our best of services in the near future also, so that even the low income people can get benefited, as the cost on the package cost of this IVF treatment is very affordable. Advise the infertile couple that during the period of treatment they should always have a healthy diet and a healthy mindset to get a good outcome, and we are offering services with all well-equipped instruments and imported equipments so that we can do the best from it. We start this fertility center in a peripheral area because we wanted to serve the people around here. Otherwise, people had to travel a long distance to the other states and also to main towns and cities to get this kind of treatment. So this place is surrounded by many villages, fishermen villages. There are many low income people around, and also there are so many places around, so that the people here, it's easy for them to travel and get the treatment here. If cases of fertility cases come and approach me, and I spend around even half an hour to 45 minutes for an infertile couple to explain them the process of the treatment until they are satisfied about it. And our IVF batches are being done every month, and there's a decent number of cases which we are doing every month, and the results are also appealing, and we are planning to upgrade the center more and give more advanced treatment. Our hospital is a 50-bedded hospital, and we have an ICU which is well equipped with ventilators and all the other necessary equipments, and we have 2 operation theaters. We have a separate ICSI lab, and we have ambulance services and 24 hours round the clock emergency services. Making it possible for more number of people to use this method of treatment. It is not a problem. it is manageable and treatable. Only thing is, first take care of your mental health and your physical health. Take good diet, adequate rest, sleep well, and when you consult your doctor, you feel free to tell all your problems to the doctor without hiding anything, so that we can help you with your problems and help you also lead a successful journey in delivering this baby. And you must always have a positive attitude. A mental attitude should be positive and should not think of what others are talking about your fertility issues. So that is very important. A positive attitude always leads to a positive result. And as a husband and wife, there should be good understanding, and they should not be depressed with people talking negatively about their fertility issues. And so I'm here all the time for my patients. They can feel free and they can talk to me about all their fertility concerns, as most of the patients just feel already that speaking to me is just like speaking to a friend, and I really feel proud of it. So I can help my patients to overcome this fertility problem